Welcome to my rendering course. Here I'll teach you how to add light and shadow by analyzing the forms in your comic art, manga, illustrations, and I'll teach you my methods for creating rich and detailed colors one step at a time. My name is Kurt and I'll be leading you through this course. I've been working in the comics industry since 2011 for publishers such as Image Comics, IDW, and Top Cow on books like Judge Dredd, Glitter Bomb, and Hack Slash. I started creating art tutorials on YouTube back in 2013, and since then I've recorded hundreds of hours of tutorials and taught thousands of students all over the world about digital art. I've designed this course for anyone looking to improve the quality of their rendering. Now, rendering is basically adding the highlights and shadows to a piece of art. Understanding how to see in 3 dimensions when you've only got 2 can be a little complicated, but I'll show you techniques for deciding where those lights and shadows fall. By the end of the course, you'll be able to use these easily repeatable steps to create your own masterpieces. I'll be teaching you methods that I've sharpened over the years doing thousands of pages as a professional colorist. And there's no talking heads, no PowerPoints. This is all step by step, all real time, and you'll be able to see my screen throughout and follow along. We'll start off learning the different types of lighting and how to apply them. Direct, indirect, ambient. I'll show you how working with multiple layers of lighting can create an amazing final result. You'll get all of my high resolution files with all the layers, and I'll even include some of my own PSD files from some of my published work with all the layers so you can study and learn from those too. I'll be using Photoshop and Procreate in this course, but feel free to use any art app that has layers and layer modes, whether it's Clip Studio or Krita or Sketchbook Pro or Medibang or ArtStudio Pro. All of those will work. So you want to be a better colorist, you want to be better at lighting, this is the course for you. Check out all the details in the description and hope to see you inside.